right, boys and girls. 1.11 is all about order of operations. Yay! Now you guys should be familiar with it. We're going to go over a couple of problems and see how you do. Going through Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally and seeing what you guys remember from last year. Now let's look. So, in Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, the P stands for parentheses. The E stands for exponents. The M stands for multiply. D stands for divide. A, addition. And S, subtraction. Now, order of operations is literally the order in which you do the operations in a multi-step problem. Now, please, when you write this down, take a marker or a highlighter, and what I want you to do is I want you to circle your M and your D together, and also in a different circle, maybe even a different color, circle your A and your S. Now the reason that I want you to circle your M and your D is that they go together. They are not one next to another where you have to do all multiplication before the division. Say no, no, no. Multiplication and division and addition and subtraction go left to right. Left to right. So what that means is in a multi-digit problem, if you have division and then multiplication going left to right, then that's the way you solve that problem. And that's perfectly fine. That's the way it works. So let's look at how this looks in action. So let's look at 9 minus parentheses 3 times 2 plus 8. Now looking at my order of operations, Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally, I'm going to go through it literally step by step. My suggestion to you is to have a pen and a colored pencil, or 2 different colors of something, so that you're able to see. All of my numerical expressions are going to be written in one color, and my boxes are going to be written in another color. Watch what I say. So, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. The first thing I do is my P, my parentheses. Do I have any parentheses? Is the question you're going to ask. Answer it. Yes, we do. Your parenthesis is going to go in the box. Put it in a box. Nice, pretty box. Aw, it's like it's Christmas. So, what is in the box? 3 times 2, 6. Drop it straight down, right below that box. Cross out your box, put a nice pretty little ribbon on it. Merry Christmas. Okay? Rewrite everything else that is not wrapped up in the box. 9 minus plus 8. Everything that was not in that box is now written on this line. So then we ask ourselves, do I have any exponents? I don't see any. Do I have a multiplication or division? Still don't see any. Do I have any addition or subtraction? Whoop, whoop, whoop. I see that. But I know addition and subtraction doesn't go addition, then subtraction. We read it from left to right. So from left to right, what is my first addition or subtraction? You got it, Batman. 9 minus 6 goes in the box. So I put my 9 minus 6 in the box and I solve it. 9 take away 6 is 3. The answer goes right below your box. Then we wrap up our pretty package for Christmas. Everything not in the box, you bring it down. I still have addition and subtraction, or I still have addition, so that is what I put in my box. I solve what is in the box. 3 plus 8 more is 11. Cross out your box, put a nice little bow around it, and there's nothing else to bring down, so you are finished. So the answer to our problem, 9 minus parenthesis 3 times 2 plus 8 more, is 11. Let's try one more. Ready to get your two handy dandy colors out? Now I challenge you to pause the video at this point, try and solve it yourself using your Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally order of operations. Start the video again and see if you get the answer that I got. That is my challenge to you. May the odds be ever in your favor. So looking at my Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally here, I see that I need to P first. I need to parentheses, and I do have parentheses. So I'm going to put my parentheses in my pretty box for Christmas or my birthday. Check it off. 4 plus 49. I put the sum of 4 plus 49 right below my box, and then I wrap my present up for Christmas, rewriting everything not in the box. Going down the list, exponents, I don't have any. Multiplication or division, ding, 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 I do. So I get my marker out for my box and I put a box around my multiplication. Four times 10 gives me a product of 40. Wrap up my box. Bring down everything that is not in my box. Done with multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction. Put it in the box. Solve what's in the box. 53 minus 40 is 13. Nothing else that is not in that box, so I wrap everything up, send it off to Santa Claus, check it off my list. So the answer to my problem is 13. Use this as an example as you are going through your practice problems at home tonight and tomorrow, because these boxes, while they might seem silly and eventually you hopefully will not need them, it makes sure that you do not forget a step